Understanding There's a Heat Wave, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the English language and unravel its mysteries together. Today, we're tackling a very hot topic. The phrase, there's a heat wave. You might have heard it on the news, read it in articles, or stumbled upon it in conversations. But what does it really mean? And why is it important to know? Let's find out together. The phrase, there's a heat wave, refers to a period of unusually hot weather that typically lasts for several days or even weeks. Unlike the normal warm temperatures of summer, a heat wave is significant because it's much hotter than the average for that time of year and location. It's not just a sunny day. It's an extreme weather event that can have impacts on health, ecosystems, and daily life. Let's break down the phrase. There's is a contraction of there is, indicating the existence or presence of something. A heat wave is a noun phrase that describes the event itself. The word heat wave combines heat, meaning high temperatures, and wave, suggesting a sudden and intense occurrence. Understanding each part helps learners grasp why the phrase communicates urgency and significance. When someone says, there's a heat wave, it's not just about the weather. This phrase can signal health warnings. High temperatures can lead to heat exhaustion, heat stroke, and other health issues. Changes in daily routines. People might need to adjust their activities to stay cool and safe. Environmental concerns. Heat waves can affect wildlife, plants, and ecosystems. Recognizing this phrase can help English learners better understand news reports, public announcements, or conversations about weather and climate. You can use there's a heat wave in several contexts, such as informing others about the weather. Be careful if you're going out. There's a heat wave this week. Discussing the effects of climate change. With global warming, it feels like there's a heat wave every other month now. Planning activities. Let's go swimming. There's a heat wave, so it'll be nice to cool off. This phrase is versatile and relevant, especially during the summer months or in discussions about global warming. Understanding the phrase, there's a heat wave, not only enriches your English vocabulary but also enhances your awareness of world events and environmental issues. We hope this video has shed some light on this hot topic and that you feel more comfortable using and responding to this phrase in your daily English conversations. Stay cool and stay curious, and as always, thank you for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.